Do you want to know why your finances are out of control? Because your emotions are out of control. You spend when you're anxious. You buy when you're frustrated. You consume to fill a void. Stoicism teaches one thing clearly. You can't control everything that happens, but you can control how you respond. And that applies directly to money. You don't need to cut everything. You need to stop using spending as an escape. You don't need to be rich. You need to be in control. While most people ask, "Can I afford this?" the Stoic mindset asks, "Does this align with who I want to be?" Personal finance isn't about restriction. It's about alignment. Spending on what doesn't matter is giving up your freedom in the future. Stoicism says, if it's outside your control, let it go. Now apply that to everything you buy for status. Everything you spend just to look happy, strong, or successful. Are you buying to escape yourself? Self-discipline is more valuable than any investment. Self-awareness is more powerful than any raise. Because if you don't master your impulses, you'll always be a slave to the next desire. You want freedom? Start with what you can control. Your habits, your choices, your priorities. What you buy today builds or breaks who you'll be tomorrow. If this video helped you see your finances and life in a new way, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Stoic Compliance for more. Take control of your money and your life.